Hello, it's been a bit. That's because I've been busy doing things and I want to show you what I've been up to. So let's see here. Let me get Suchama weighted real quick and then I'll show you. All right. So I put together, let's actually go here first. I put together quick start guides with templates. Okay, and they're very inexpensive. I have two, but you have, like, once you click here, you have the option to add the other templates over right here, right? If you click that, then you'll get the other templates also, with the combined cost of very low price. So yeah. All right, so let's back out here. So these are the templates. I'm still working on the sales page, but let me show you what it looks like so far. Hold on. Let's see. Guilt Critters bundle. Check it out. Here's the sales page. This is zoomed in quite a bit here. So let's go to 100. So here, and if you click anywhere, any of the links actually goes to the checkout page right away. So this is the sales page so far. I'm gonna, keep improving it, but I have my frequently asked questions here. Da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Very proud of this little cute little guide for everybody. These are the templates for this bundle. And then, the other one. Oh, the other one is actually portrait. Yeah. Oh, no, not template. Portrait bundle. Yeah. There you go. All right. And here's this one. So let me show you the templates, what they look like. Aren't these pretty? And these we're going to focus on portrait. So we're going to focus on their faces mainly, right? But you can paint them out as much as you want. But the purpose that I was thinking with these templates was to focus on portrait painting. Because painting the face, I don't know, I get a little bit nervous when I paint faces. So with this template, you actually get a zoomed in to their face version. You get a smaller version and an 8x11 version of the template. Same with the cute critters, except the cute critters don't have the zoomed in to the face version. But yeah, so I got this going. I'm going to open up the store so that you can get started with it. So the other thing that it comes with, how do I show you? No, not that either. So how do I show you? Let me see. Let me find it. So it comes with a mini course is what I want to show you. Okay, so it comes with a quick start guide, right? And here, and it comes with the community. So you're invited to the community once you buy this. You get access to the creator community, and where I go live in, actually. And then we paint the templates in the community. And then, so here's the lessons. I've been going through them, doing the videos. So each one has a video. I did a video for all of them. Isn't that cute? So you get introduction to watercolor. So this is for people who have stepped away from watercolor for a really long time and needs like a refresher course, or somebody that's just starting. If you're interested in starting watercolor, this is a fun quick start guide, because I even cover a little bit of color mixing, brush techniques, introduction to water control, and supplies. I like to do tips and tricks. And then I talk about the memberships that I have available. So both of these are being built currently, but I'm still going to invite you I'm still going to invite you over, and you know, you'll see how it's being built, and you get to suggest what, you know, mostly what happens into it. So you'll have the first dibs on what how it gets built, basically. But yeah, so Watercolor Wizardry Light covers foundations, right? And then Academy includes light. So I'll probably talk more about those later. So here's Academy, everything in that. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. And that's what I've been doing. And this is the video to kind of introduce it to everybody. I just, you know, I didn't want to make it all fancy. I just want to get on with it. Because you know how it is. I don't know if you know how it is. When you're doing something new, it's like, it's scary, you know. So I just wanted to just record it, just do it, just put it out there, get it done. All right, so thank you for listening to me, and I am glad that you're watching. So I will talk to you guys later. The videos will show up. They're probably up there now. So nice talking to you. I'll see you soon.